script for Vantrue E1 Lite 1080p Wi-Fi Mini Dash Cam review. Did you know that the right dash cam could save you time, money, and even give you peace of mind? What if there was one that gave you a clear picture, even in low light, and could help you with insurance claims or unexpected accidents? Let's talk about the Vantrue E1 Lite Mini Dash Cam, a feature-packed solution designed for drivers who want to capture their every move on the road. Welcome to Autovated. Today we're diving into the Vantrue E1 Lite 1080p Wi-Fi Mini Dash Cam with GPS and speed. This compact dash cam promises powerful features like 1080p HDR resolution, Wi-Fi connectivity, hands-free voice control, and 24-hour parking mode. But does it really live up to the hype? The Vantrue E1 Lite records in stunning 1080p resolution with high dynamic range HDR technology. This means sharper, more detailed footage, especially at night or in low-light conditions. Whether you're capturing number plates or just tracking your journey, this cam offers a solid 160-degree viewing angle for wide coverage. With an f1.8 wide aperture, you won't miss any important details, even in the dark. What sets the E1 Lite apart is its built-in Wi-Fi and a free mobile app. Available for both Android and iOS, the app lets you stream footage live, adjust settings, and even share clips directly to your social media. Perfect for showing off your road trips or quickly sharing video proof if needed. The GPS functionality records your speed, location, and route, which can be a lifesaver in an insurance dispute, providing a clear record of your trip, even including the direction of travel. The hands-free voice control is a standout feature, giving you the ability to save footage, take photos, and start or stop recording, all with simple voice commands. You can control your dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel, which makes it safer and more convenient. But what about when you're parked? The Vantrue E1 Lite has 24-hour parking mode. It switches to parking mode automatically when the car is off, recording at a low bitrate to save battery while keeping an eye out for impact or motion. Whether it's a hit and run or an attempted theft, this dash cam has your back with 4 different parking modes to suit your needs. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: high-quality video, 1080p HDR for clear night and day footage, Wi-Fi and app integration, easy sharing, live streaming, and GPS tracking, voice control, hands-free operation while driving, 24-hour parking mode, protection even when your vehicle is off, GPS tracking, speed and route data could be critical for insurance claims. Cons: limited voice control language options. Currently, voice commands are only available in English, Japanese, Russian, and Chinese. Potential battery drain. Though designed for low power consumption, leaving the parking mode on for long periods could still affect your car battery. In terms of value for money, the Vantrue E1 Lite gives you a lot of features at an affordable price. It's especially appealing if you're someone who values video quality, reliability, and ease of use. It might not be the most advanced on the market, but it offers excellent functionality for everyday drivers. Comparison. Compared to other dash cams in the same price range, such as the Nextbase 122 or the Garmin 55, the Vantrue E1 Lite stands out with its voice control and seamless app integration. However, those looking for higher resolution, like 4K, or advanced features, like collision warning systems, might want to look at other models, which could cost a bit more. If this breakdown is helping you, and you want to make sure you're always ahead of the curve with fresh reviews, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. You'll be first in line for more insights. Build quality and longevity. The Vantrue E1 Lite feels solid, and its compact design makes it easy to install without taking up too much space on your windshield. Although we don't have long-term data, Vantrue's reputation for reliability in the dashcam market adds confidence to its durability. If you're worried about wear and tear, the brand offers a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Customer support. While I haven't had direct interactions with their customer support, Vantrue's reputation for handling issues effectively through their website and support channels is a plus. With so many dashcam brands, a responsive customer service team can be a real game changer. Who's this dashcam for? If you're a daily commuter who values convenience, safety, and clear video evidence, the Vantrue E1 Lite is an excellent choice. It's also a great option for those who want peace of mind with parking mode, making it perfect for city dwellers who park on the street or in high-risk areas. Conclusion. Overall, the Vantrue E1 Lite is a strong option for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use dashcam with solid features like 1080p HDR, Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24-hour parking mode. If you're after higher-end features like 4K resolution or advanced driver assist systems, there are alternatives, but for most drivers, this one hits the sweet spot. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out the Vantrue E1 Lite, the links are down in the comments box and the description. Feel free to ask questions or share your thoughts if you already own this dashcam. I'd love to hear your experiences. Goodbye till next time, and remember, keep it autovated.